Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alyssa. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing kind of an easy breezy summer look, and we're going to be using the Age Perfect foundation and concealer, and we're just going to be using those, and I got a few other things to kind of make us a full face to make up a summery look. So if you like to see what I come up with, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses. I'm going to go ahead and put on a little bit of my Milani eye primer. I'm going to do my eyes first just because I'm so clumsy. I'll mess it up if I try to do them last. I'm so used to doing them first. So we're not doing anything major, but we're just going to do a little simple summery eye look. I'm going to put my hair back. Alright, I'm going to be using the New Mood eyeshadow palette, and actually I have an announcement. I am going to be doing some giveaways, but it's going to be 3 separate giveaways. One for when I hit 25 subscribers, one when I hit 50, and one when I hit 100. The 25 and 50, you're going to get one of these 2 palettes, and 25, I guess you can pick whichever you want. The first one that wins the 25. We got Whatever and Sweet Talk by Colourpop. And then for 100, these just came in today, so we have the Megan Mauves, Blush Crush, and the New Mood. So 100 will be getting all 3 of these, unless I decide to switch it up a little bit. I haven't decided yet, but I think that's what I'm going to do. I had thought about doing one of these palettes for 25 and one of them for 50, and then giving the 2 bigger palettes for 100. But I kind of like the idea of having the set of the Blush Crush New Mood and Making Mauves all together going to one person. So I think that's what I'm going to do, but I haven't totally decided. I got a little bit of time, I think. I'm only at 9 subscribers. So it'd be great if I had to worry about that tomorrow, but I don't know if that's going to happen. We'll see. So that's kind of what I was thinking, is we're going to do a giveaway. So tell your friends, tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell whoever. If there's anybody that you think that would be interested in my content, makeup and beauty, then you know, let them know, and that way we will be that much closer to a giveaway. Alright, so we're going to go into the eyeshadow, and I'm going to take Bare to Wear right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And I'm using a Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush. And I really wanted to pick palettes that for the giveaway that I had used before and that I enjoyed, so that's why I picked those. The only one that I haven't used before is the Whatever, but the Sweet Talk and the Whatever came together, so I thought that, you know, they were pretty cute. I've always kind of wanted the Whatever, and I thought about keeping it. I was tempted to keep it for myself, but I decided I didn't need it, that I wouldn't use it all the time. It'd be better used to go to one of you guys. Alright, I'm going to take Moody right here, and I'm going to put that on my outside corner. Alright, I'm going to take Wink Wink up here, and I'm going to put that on the other half of my lid. I'm going to take a cotton round and some micellar water, and I'm just going to clean out any fallout or lines. Alright, I'm going to take the number 7 Airbrush Away Radiance Boosting Primer. I've really been enjoying this primer. I'm going to blend that out with my foundation brush. Now I'm taking the Age Perfect Radiant Concealer and I'm going to put that on my under eyes. And I'm blending that out with the concealer brush. Now I'm taking the number 7 Lift Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder. And I'm going to put that underneath my eyes. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It Bronzer. And I'm just going to bronze up my face. I'm going underneath my chin. And down my neck. Alright, I'm taking the Flower Blush Balm in a peach, I think it is. Yeah, in peach. And I'm going to put that on my cheeks. And I'm taking the Essence Pure Nude highlighter, and I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. Going down my nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin. And I'm actually going to leave my lower lash line with no shadow on it. I'm just going to put some mascara on my top lashes, and I'm using the Essence Lash Princess. Alright, I'm taking the Ulta Beauty Tinted Juice Infused Lip Oil, and I have the shade Passionate Peach. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to put on a little bit of the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. Alright, well, this is the final look of a easy breezy summer look. And I wanted to let you know yesterday when I was talking my video yesterday that I was talking about the foundations that have looked amazing on me. It is the Age Perfect that I used today, and Loreal makes the Age Perfect if you didn't know, Radiance Serum Foundation, and this has a SPF of 50, and it's really good. It's really been looking beautiful on my skin, just beautiful. I've been using this and also the Flower Beauty Light Illusion foundation. I've been using it as well when I'm not filming. So those are the two foundations, and some of the reason why is this number 7, I think the number 7 Airbrush Away Radiance Boosting Primer. I think that's been some of it, but also I've been using this Pixie Beauty Tonic something. I'll have to look at it because I just finished it. I need to get some more. I'll have to look exactly what it is, but it's got like some AHA, BHA type stuff in it. And I've really been enjoying using it as a toner. So I think that's helped as well, because normally I have huge pores that it doesn't matter what foundation I use, it just accentuates my pores like nobody's business. But lately it's been looking like I have smaller pores. They're not as accentuated, and I think some of it is the foundation, and I think some of it is my toner I've been using as well. So the Pixie, I'll have to look up what it is. But alright, so like I said, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video today, seeing what I came up with, our little easy breezy summer look. If you did like the video, please hit the like button. Also, please subscribe. I'd love for you to become a part of our little happy family we have on the internet. Also, ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And I guess that's going to be all for me today. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.